The ocean looks calm from above. Blue. Familiar. Alive. But that calm is a surface illusion. Beneath the waves, light begins to thin. Colors disappear first. Red fades to gray, then yellow, then green. At just 200 meters, sunlight weakens enough to change biology itself. Plants vanish. Photosynthesis ends. And life begins to rewrite its rules. Here, survival no longer depends on speed or strength. It depends on efficiency, on patience, on sensing what cannot be seen. Eyes grow larger. Bodies slow down. Energy becomes precious. This is the twilight zone of the ocean, a place where day and night blur into permanent dusk. Fish glow faintly, not to be seen, but to see. Predators drift instead of chase. Every movement is calculated. And this is only the beginning. As we descend further, pressure builds. Every 10 meters adds the weight of another atmosphere. Your body would collapse long before the ocean notices you were there. Yet life continues, not by resisting pressure, but by embracing it. Cells compress. Proteins change shape. Membranes become flexible, almost fluid. The deeper we go, the less life resembles what we know. And the question forms quietly. How deep can biology adapt before it stops being recognizable? Below this fading light lies a world untouched by the sun, and what waits there is far stranger than darkness. At 1,000 meters, light is gone. No sunrise, no sunset, only black. This is the midnight zone. Here, vision becomes unreliable. So life invents something new. Bioluminescence. Living light. Blue flashes pulse through the dark, like distant stars. Some glow to attract prey, others to confuse predators. Some simply to signal that they exist. A fish dangles a glowing lure from its head. A moving star in a lightless sky. Creatures stretch longer here. Mouths widen. Teeth curve inward, sharp and translucent. Food is rare, so when it arrives, nothing is wasted. Stomachs expand. Jaws unhinge. A meal might not come again for weeks. Pressure here is crushing, yet these animals are not crushed. Their bodies contain no empty spaces, no air-filled lungs, nothing to collapse. Instead, they are dense, soft, built to exist under force. Time also changes. Movement slow. Heartbeats stretch apart. Growth can take decades. Some fish here live longer than humans, not because life is easy, but because it is slow. And still, we are not deep enough. Below the midnight zone, even bioluminescence thins. The ocean grows quieter, colder, and biology prepares for its most extreme test yet. At 4,000 meters, we enter the abyss. This is the abyssal zone. Temperatures hover near freezing. Food falls from above like rare snow. Dead plankton, fragments of animals, the remains of lives lived closer to the sun. This rain of debris is called marine snow, and entire ecosystems depend on it. Creatures here are fragile-looking, almost skeletal. Sea cucumbers drift across the seafloor, recycling death into life. Starfish move slowly, endlessly patient. Then something unexpected appears. Heat. From cracks in the Earth's crust, hydrothermal vents erupt. Superheated water rich in chemicals bursts into the cold. No sunlight reaches here. Yet life thrives. Bacteria use chemistry instead of light. They turn sulfur into energy. Around them gather giant tube worms. Blind shrimp. Creatures that owe nothing to the sun. This is life built on geology. Proof that biology does not need stars. Only gradients. Here, evolution took a different path entirely. If life can exist without light, without warmth, without oxygen-rich water, then what does life truly require? The deeper we descend, the harder that question becomes to answer. Below 6,000 meters lies the Hadal Zone, named after Hades. This is the deepest realm of the ocean. Trenches cut into the earth like scars. Places where tectonic plates collide and sink. Pressure here is unimaginable. More than 1,000 times the pressure at the surface. Yet life still exists. Snailfish glide through the darkness, gelatinous and pale. Their bones are soft. Their muscles weak by surface standards. But here, weakness is strength. Their cells are filled with chemicals that protect proteins from pressure. Molecules designed to prevent collapse. Nothing here is fast. Nothing here is aggressive. Energy is too valuable. Even pollution reaches this depth. Plastic fragments, chemical traces, human fingerprints at the bottom of the world. And still, life adapts, which raises an unsettling thought. If biology can adjust to pressure, darkness, poison, and cold, what limits does it truly have? Or are the limits not biological at all, but psychological? As depth increases, evolution stops favoring beauty. It favors function. Eyes disappear. Colors fade into transparency. Life becomes abstract. Some animals dissolve when brought to the surface. Their bodies were never meant to exist without pressure. We can study them only briefly, a glimpse before they vanish. Even now, most of the deep ocean remains unexplored. We have mapped more of the moon than our own seafloor. New species are discovered every year, and each discovery raises more questions than answers. Why do some lineages survive here while others fail? How far back in time did these adaptations begin? And what might deeper life tell us about other worlds? Because oceans exist beyond Earth, beneath the ice of Europa, under the surface of Enceladus. If life can thrive here, why not there? The deeper the ocean gets, the stranger biology becomes. Not because life grows monstrous, but because it grows honest, stripped of excess, shaped only by physics, chemistry, and time. Down here, evolution has no audience, no need to impress, only the need to persist. Each descent teaches us the same lesson. Life does not cling to familiar shapes. It reshapes itself endlessly. And perhaps the most unsettling truth is this: the deep ocean is not alien. It is Earth, without our expectations. So when we ask how strange life can become, we may be asking the wrong question. The real mystery is how narrow our idea of life has always been.